sun broke the horizon over Arizona plains. Colors painted sky washed away my pains. There in the morning light, a sign from up above. A tiny hummingbird filled my heart with love. Wings like precious jewels dancing in the breeze, fluttering so gracefully, making my soul at ease. Jesus' gentle touch in this morning's glow brought me hope in whispers more than words could show. Oh, that hummingbird at sunrise, a gift from heaven's light, flying through the desert dawn, everything felt right. In the solitude of nature, I felt Jesus near. With each whir and flutter, my doubts just disappeared.